Ready to unlock the power to isolate and manipulate anything in your photos? Let's dive straight into Photoshop and learn how to extract the foreground of an image first. Open your image in Photoshop, then locate the Quick Selection tool or the Object Selection tool in the toolbar on the left side. These are great starting points. The Quick Selection tool works by clicking and dragging over the subject you want to separate. The tool intelligently analyzes the image and tries to automatically find edges and boundaries, creating a selection for you. Continue clicking and dragging to add more areas to your selection. If the tool selects something you don't want, hold down the Alt or Option key and click and drag over the unwanted areas to subtract them from the selection. Conversely, use the Add to Selection option if any part of your subject is not fully selected to add that area to the selected objects. Once you're happy with the general selection, click Select and Mask at the top, or from the Select menu to enter the Select and Mask workspace. There, you have powerful tools. Use the Refine Edge Brush tool to improve the edges of your selection, especially around hair or other delicate areas. Adjust the Smooth, Feather, and Contrast sliders to fine-tune the edges. Finally, in the Output Settings section, choose New Layer with Layer Mask from the Output to drop down, and click OK. This creates a new layer with your isolated foreground and a layer mask, conveniently separating your main subject from the background. It's all set up to be moved elsewhere or edited further. Remember to always save your work, and happy editing.